Welcome to doassignment-ca. Here is the problem. Complete the input-output table for the function y equals 2x minus 3 using the input values x equals -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. Then plot the ordered pairs on a coordinate plane and describe whether the graph is linear. The table has 3 columns, x, y equals 2x minus 3, and the ordered pair x, y. Fill in the output and ordered pair for each of the 5 input values. Now, let us work through the solution step by step. Our function rule is y equals 2x minus 3. That means for any input x, we multiply it by 2 and then subtract 3 to find the output y. We will plug in each of the 5 input values one at a time. Here are all 5 ordered pairs plotted on the coordinate plane. Each blue dot is one of our points. Notice that all 5 dots line up perfectly along a straight orange dashed line. That tells us the graph is linear. Plugging in x equals -2, 2 times -2 is -4, and -4 minus 3 is -7. So our first ordered pair is -2, -7. Next, x equals -1, 2 times -1 is -2, and -2 minus 3 is -5. That gives the ordered pair -1, -5. For x equals 0, 2 times 0 is 0, minus 3 gives -3, so the pair is 0, -3. For x equals 1, 2 times 1 is 2, minus 3 is -1, giving 1, -1. Finally, x equals 2, 2 times 2 is 4, minus 3 is 1, so the last pair is 2, 1. Here is the completed table. The 5 ordered pairs are -2, -7, -1, -5, 0, -3, 1, -1, and 2, 1. Here are all 5 ordered pairs plotted on the coordinate plane. Each blue dot represents one of our points. Notice that all 5 dots line up perfectly along a straight orange dashed line, which tells us the graph is linear. All 5 points fall on a single straight line, which confirms that y equals 2x minus 3 is a linear function. The equation is in slope-intercept form, where the slope m is 2, meaning the line rises 2 units for every 1 unit moved to the right, and the y-intercept b is -3, meaning the line crosses the y-axis at 0, -3. Therefore, the graph is linear. To summarize, we substituted each of the 5 x values into y equals 2x minus 3 to fill the table. The 5 ordered pairs are -2, -7, -1, -5, 0, -3, 1, -1, and 2, +1. When plotted, they form a straight line, so the graph is linear. Visit doassignment.ca for more study tools, AI learning support, and online tutoring.